say, Saturday, school, science, scientist, see, second, second, section, see, sell, send, sentence, September, 7, 17, 70, share, she, sheep, shirt, shoe, shop, shopping, short, should, show, shower, sick, similar, sing, singer, sister, sit, situation, 6, 16, 60, skill, skirt, sleep, slow, small, snake, snow, so, some, somebody, someone, something, sometimes, sun, song, soon, sorry, sound, soup, south, space, speak, special, spell, spelling, spend, sport, spring, stand, star, start. One day, a scientist arrived in a small seaside town where the air felt slow and calm. He had come for a special science event that would take place in spring. In his notebook, he had written a strange word twice, second, as if it carried an important meaning, and he kept thinking about it. At the harbour, he saw a small shop and a busy market area near the water. The word in his notes was just part of a sentence he had copied from an old book in a shop, not connected to any real place. The scientist decided to sell an old map he no longer needed and send a message about his findings. A situation began when someone noticed something unusual near the sea, a small snake moving slowly between stones. Another person said it looked like a rope. At that moment, a little girl from the town, a talented singer, started to sing a short melody while her sister watched the sheep near a stall selling shirts and shoes. In September, the scientist wrote new sentences in his notebook after noticing 7 strange marks, then 17, and even 70 patterns in the sand. He saw 6 shells, 16 pieces of coral, and 60 small stones arranged in a precise pattern. Sometimes he would sit and think about space, and sometimes he would simply stand and watch the sea. Someone brought soup, and they all shared it together, saying sorry when a little spilled. The little girl singer would later show her talent in music and even in sports. Her voice sounded like a star in the southern sky. She wore a short skirt and a small shoe charm that matched the snowy weather that sometimes appeared even in spring. The scientist tried to explain his discovery, but he needed to say it clearly. Second, he whispered again, as if the sound itself had meaning. He felt overwhelmed by his thoughts, so he took a shower and rested. In the end, the village remained quiet, filled with the sound of the sea, and everyone agreed that something special had happened, something small, strange, and unforgettable. Share kindness, speak softly, and soon you will see happiness.